Do you hold in a sneeze because you feel embarrassed? That habit might be more dangerous than you think. Sneezing is your body's natural way to expel dust, germs, and irritants. Holding it in causes extreme pressure inside your head. That pressure can burst blood vessels, cause ear pain, and in rare cases, even damage the eardrum. The force can push into your sinuses and throat, leading to severe headaches or sinus infections. A sneeze can travel over 100 miles per hour. Now imagine trapping that force inside your body. So don't hold it in. Use a tissue or sneeze into your elbow. Safer, cleaner, and healthier.